Working with custom menu in WordPress is really easy. You can create, edit or update any menu. Custom menus in WordPress may contain links to pages, categories, custom links or other content types. You can also specify a different navigation label for a navigation item as well as assign other attributes. There's no limit on how many menus you can create, so if your theme includes more than one menu location, you can choose which custom menu to associate with each location. You can also use custom menus in conjunction with the Custom Menus widget. To get started creating a custom menu, visit your admin panel. Then visit here Appearance, then Menus. You will now see the Menus Editor page. Here you will see all your existing menus. You can select one and click Select to start editing. Or you can create a new menu by clicking here, enter your menu name, and click Create Menu. Now you're ready to add navigation items from the boxes on the left, such as pages, categories and links. To add a home button, you need to use links. Add here your domain name with HTTP prefix. Then add a title like Home. Once done, click Add to Menu. Select the pages that you want to add as your navigation item. Once done, click Add to Menu. You can rearrange the navigation item very easily. You just need to drag and drop. Also you can change the label if you want. Simply click here and change the label. If you'd like to change which menu options you see from this page, click to expand the Screen Options tab. Now you can add other navigation items options such as posts, tags or formats, or show advanced menu properties like CSS classes. You can create drop-down navigation item very easily as well. Simple place it where you want and as much as you want. When you have your navigation items arranged in order, click Save Menu. You now have a new navigation menu that can be added to any menu location on your WordPress site. If you want to remove any navigation item, simply click here and then click Remove Link. Once you are done, once again save the menu here. If is the final stage and you need to assign the menu to a theme location. To assign this navigation to specific area in your website, you need to update menu settings here. You will see all available theme location of your navigation here. If you want this navigation to be shown on the header, select Header menu and click Save Menu, and you are done. So now you have successfully assigned the new menu at the header area of your website. Please visit our website tutorials section for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching this video.